Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Flay, and guys, today I'm super excited because in today's video I want to show you how to prepare a very tasty delicious fish stew with simple ingredients. So guys, if you're new in this channel, kindly subscribe, share and like the video. Enjoy. So guys, I'll be using 1 onion, 3 tomatoes and 1 green pepper. And I'll start off by chopping the onion into pieces using my chop board, as you can see. When I'm done, I put them aside. Then take the other onions and chop them too. Okay, I love using these onions because it really brings the sweetest taste and the sweetest aroma. Guys, you should try it out. It won't really disappoint you. When done, I mix them with the other onion, then prepare my green pepper. Slice it into pieces. I'm gonna do the same with the tomatoes. When done, I'll be using my pan to prepare the meal. As you can see, then pour just a little amount of oil, guys. Yeah. Then I'll take my onions. When the oil is ready, pour the onions. Then mix well. Like that until the onions turns golden brown. As I wait for the onions to be ready, I'll be preparing the garlic just like that. I'll be adding the garlic into the onions, just like that. Then mix well. Then mix it well. Then I'll be adding the tomatoes too into the mixture. Then stir. Then I'll be start using my ingredients. Be adding salt, mix it, then Royco powder. I'll be adding fish masala, the turmeric too, to add the color, the yellow color. Then lastly, I'll be using the black pepper, my favorite, guys. My favorite spice. It's the black pepper. Then mix it well. I'll be adding water to my fries, as you can see, then let it boil. Salt wasn't enough, so I decided to add a little to my soup. And now the soup is ready. I'm gonna dip my fish one by one, as you can see. I'll be turning the other side of the fish so that it cooks. I'm gonna use another spoon so that I don't spoil the fish. Just like that. I'm gonna cover it again to let it cook for some time as we wait. The fish is now ready, guys. So I'll be adding my green pepper to the fish, as you can see. I'll be sprinkling them all over, then adding my dhania. Okay, I don't know how you call it in your language. Maybe you can leave comment down below. Yeah, the fish, it really smells so nice, guys. Ooh, the fish is now ready to be served.